Technology is a really important part of our young people's lives today.
It's a crucial part of everyday life, being technology savvy, if you like.
So we had a really good opportunity here to build state-of-the-art technology within the school.
We're really pleased with elementary technology and what they've been able to offer us. A few years ago we brought in Chromebooks and they've integrated really well with the ViewSonic screens.
Using the ViewSonic software in my lessons really enables me to keep students focused, keep them engaged, but also they want to do that by using the software.
The students really loved the pop quiz feature because it meant that they were all engaged, they were all able to participate.
Technology plays a really important part in students' lives these days, and we're really pleased to have a state-of-the-art school with screen technology that really links into both Google and the Chromebooks that we're using. Once we decided that ViewSonic was the technology we wanted to use, obviously I looked for a recommendation and elementary were at the top of that list. I engaged with Jake from elementary technology at the start of the design process, so we had a visit around the school where he could see the school even though it was a building site at the time. That meant the installation actually went really well. The timescales were really short. We had a really short window to do all this and it worked really well because of that partnership between the school, ViewSonic and elementary. The Get Set Go portal from elementary technology is a real bonus to our in-house CPD. The teachers can go through the modules at their own pace and they get certificates at the end of that for the work they've completed.
Teachers are really pleased with the technology because they find it intuitive. They don't have to think too hard about how to use things, and that's incredibly important for teachers where time is very precious.
With the pop quiz, I can see their answers instantly. It means that I can actually see if any students are having any difficulties, which cuts my time during the lesson.
I can do a lot of the same things that I would typically do, but rather than having to jump between different programs, the ViewSonic boards lets me have everything all in one place and be much more efficient about the way I deliver my lessons.
Teachers were nervous about moving into a new school, new environment, new technology, but the way that the whole team worked together to deliver the screens, the training, the project on time was brilliant.